Hi, my name is Siddhant Kumar, and today I'll be speaking on computing infrastructure. Uh, the topics included under computing infrastructure are the introduction, the business applications, and following to the business application is the conclusion. To begin with, the introduction. IT infrastructure refers to the composite hardware, software, and network resources. It is required for the existing operation and management of an IT environment. There are various types of computing infrastructure, including internet infrastructure, network infrastructure, satellite infrastructure, and more. These type of infrastructure can be found in the workplace, at home, and all other settings. Infrastructure is the most often used to refer hardware, which includes several different computer components and peripherals that are controlled via firmware. A computer is a typical example of an infrastructure itself, where the cables are connecting the computer to peripherals like printers, monitors, and the firmware installed on the computer that allows it to send and receive data. Things like satellites, routers, telephone cable lines are considered parts of the infrastructure, even though they may not be directly connected to a computer. Particularly, anything that is suited to help a computer transmit and receive data is considered computing infrastructure. Several components of computing infrastructure have some relation to communications. Now, moving on to business applications. A properly configured computing infrastructure is much needed by the most business to ensure that their communications needs are fully satisfied, to let the employees be able to use network to communicate internally or externally, as well as to send and receive data over the internet. A well-configured network will make everyone's job easier by providing instant access to different types of computer resources. This can increase job productivity and can also improve customer satisfaction due to quick response times to customer service queries and problems. A business will often want to restructure access to servers or computers on its network so that personal information is secure. In, in this way, computing infrastructure must have some level of security if it is to be protected from unauthorized users. At home, people need to be more concerned about their network infrastructure in order to keep the network safe from unwanted users to write the internet connection or access private data on their home computers. Last but not least, coming to the conclusion, setting up a computing infrastructure can be challenging sometimes. So an outside professional can be hired to design and connect computer networking and mobile infrastructure. By hiring a professional, you can ensure that the network is correctly designed, and whoever you hire can also ensure that there is contact in case something goes wrong with the company's internet or mobile infrastructure, which can have negative impacts on business if not fixed as soon as possible. This brings an end to the